What is up, everybody? It's Napalm McCast. So today I'm going to be checking out this Heimvision smart Wi-Fi camera right here. You can pick this up on Amazon for $35.99, and sometimes they do have coupon codes available. You can see it right there. There will be a link down below for Heimvision if you do want to check it out. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product here itself. You can see it's a 1080p HD smart Wi-Fi camera. There's the model number right there, HM205. You can see on the side right here some of the details. Works with Amazon Alexa, which is pretty cool. I want to see if that works right there. Two-way audio, supports AP hotspot connection, and a few other details on there. If you really want to read it, you can. So let's go ahead and look at the back here at some of the technical specifications. And as you can see, you can stop that if you want. 355-degree pan tilt, 110 degrees field of view lens, 3.6 millimeters. And it can support an SD card up to 128 gigabytes. It's pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and open it up here. And the first thing you get on top here is a instruction manual, HM smart Wi-Fi camera, quick guide, and we'll be showing you how to set it up and stuff. There's the app you'll need to download right there. You can see it's Pix Plus or Pix Plus EN on the Apple App Store. So it works for Android and Apple as well. Next thing in the box here are some mounting hardware. You don't need to mount this. You can just set it on a table or something, but if you want to, you have some mounting hardware. Have a micro SD cable right here. Seems like a nice long one too. Cool, cool. And finally you get a wall brick right here. Pretty standard wall brick, nothing really to it. Looks nice, nothing wrong with it at all. So there that is. Let's get all that aside and let's get to the main item in here. You got a piece of foam, and there's the camera right there. So let me go ahead and get it out of the box here, and we can take a look at it right now. So here it is. Try to get that focus a little better right there. You can see the lens right there. It has some IR technology. I don't think actual IR lights, but some sort of technology that it uses. You have some circles here on the side, maybe something to do with the microphone, one of them. Maybe they're both microphones. You can see this side doesn't have it. This side has one here and here, so some sort of microphone. Here is the back right here. As you can see, you have the micro SD insert for powering it, as well as a reset button right there. Bottom here, you have a mount for a tripod right there in gold. You have some information on the back, such as the model and device ID, and you can see how it tilts, just like so, but it does it electronically through your phone. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside here. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set this up, and we're going to see how the quality looks. Alright, so she's going to say please configure the network here or something. I don't know what she's going off about.
Mobile phone to configure the network.
Very obnoxious how it repeats itself, but that's besides the point. So first you're going to want to download the app called Pix Plus right here. It's going to be called Pix Plus EN on the Apple App Store or Pix Plus on the Android App Store. You're going to press up here, you're going to press the plus mark, you're going to press Intelligent Camera, and then you're going to choose one of these three methods to connect. I'm going to choose the top one, scanning the code,
mobile phone to configure the network,
because it seems the most easiest way to do it. So now let's read what it says on the screen right here. Get a little focus in there. So it says keep pressing set or reset on the back of the camera here, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold down the reset button, you'll hear it say something.
Reset success, please wait, reboot.
Reset success, please wait, reboot. Very urgently, so we did that already, so now we're going to make sure it's as close to the router as possible. I'm not near a router right now, but we'll see if it still works. And now all I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to put this QR code right here in front of the camera, since I'm connected to the Wi-Fi now, and we're going to see if it can read it. And this will be a very quick connection if it does read it. There we go.
Network connecting, please wait.
Network connecting, please wait. I heard the beep voice. We're going to press that. Let's see what it says right here on the screen. So now it's just trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, and we'll just sit through here and see.
Wi-Fi connection success.
Addition is successful. So now what we're going to press here is you can name it whatever you want. We're going to skip all that and go start to experience. So cloud video may be available, and like I said before, I hope I said before, you can use this with an SD card, or you can send the video all to the cloud and see it straight from your phone. So I'm going to press got it right here, got it right here, got it right here, and you can see the screen right up here. You can see all the controls down here. This is how you turn. You can hear me talking right there. But these are the controls. We're going to press got it. You can change the device. Got it. and there's the outside. So it looks really good actually. We're going to just go to settings here, and we are going to see if we can mute the audio somehow. We're going to go to device microphone. We're going to turn that off, and you can see some of these other settings. Some of these other settings in here that you can also adjust: night vision, auto, Wi-Fi network. That's my Wi-Fi. All that stuff there. Devices on. So we're going to go back here, and we're going to, let's just see if we can get it to move some. So up. Goes up. Whoa, goes way up there. Let's go down. Go to the left. Go to the right. And let's pan over here so you can sort of see the camera in the background as I do this. So we're going to go up. You can see it turning up. We're going to go down. You can see it turning down. We're going to go to the right. You can see it turning right. Quite a ways to the right actually. You can almost see me there. And all the way over here. So now let's just go ahead and go to the full screen here. See if the quality is okay. Such as this. Let's just turn it this way some. And you can get a look at the quality here once it moves. There you go. So you can see the quality is pretty good. We're looking at it through a phone here obviously, so it's not going to be perfect. But it looks really good for being what it is. It is HD, I do believe that. And we are looking through it through a phone, as you can see. The date at the top seems to be right too. Alright guys, we're going to do one more thing here before the end of this video. We're going to show you how to connect it to Alexa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to skills and games. Let's go ahead and get some focus in here. Sorry about that guys. And we're going to go up here. We're going to go to the search. And we're going to search Cluselli, just like this. Well, if we spell it right. So we're going to download this app right here. We're going to wait patiently, and then we're going to see it right here. We're going to do enable to use. Zoom out a little here. I'm going to have to sign in to my account, which I think should be the same as my account that we use for the other app. So I'm going to try that out and let you guys know. So once you sign in, it's going to take you back here, and then you're going to have to go and discover the device. So now it's trying to find the new device. 9 devices discovered. We're going to choose camera. Camera, there it is. Add your camera to a group. We're going to skip because we're just going to be testing this out right now, and continue. We're going to go to skills and games. We're going to go to our skills. Just want to see what it does, honestly. Turn on door, show the door, turn off the door. So I guess maybe you can get it to turn around and do different stuff through here, or maybe it's not quite to that advanced level. But there you go, you do see that it can work with Alexa, and you can tell it to turn on and off. But I don't see why you wouldn't just have it on all the time, except for privacy reasons. But you do have that option if you want it. One other thing to mention here with the Alexa Smart Skills that you can use with this camera is that you can actually use these commands to stream to your Fire TV. So anything that shows up on here with the proper Alexa command, you can use it to see it directly on your TV at a whim, as long as you have it on the right HDMI. So that's very cool. It works with the entire Alexa ecosystem of devices, the Amazon ecosystem. So that's a good thing to note with this camera. So yeah, there you go guys. This is the Heimvision camera right here. You can pick it up on Amazon for $35.99. Might be a coupon code down below, so be sure to check that out. And there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed.